Go to vhsvoice.wimba.com/vhsvoice, enter the given username and password, and click OK. Select the voice presentation tool by clicking on the link. Click the New button to create a new VoiceThread presentation. Add a title and a description. Click Create. Under the View column, click the I to enter the presentation. On your first entry, you will see the voice presentation screen. When the screen first appears, the New button will be active or lit up, but the other buttons will be dim, except for the Option button, which will be activated as well. Click the New button to add your first web resource, or slide as it is called. The following Compose dialog box will appear. Fill in the subject and the URL field. It is very helpful to have a list of URLs in advance from which you can copy and paste into the dialog box. Any text can be added here, and then click the red round Record button to record your audio comments. The controls are record, play, pause, and stop. When you are done with your audio comments, click stop and then click post. Repeat this procedure as often as is necessary for all of the URLs that you want to add to your presentation. The posted URLs will appear on the screen, and the remaining control buttons will now be activated or lit up. So an item can be edited, a further comment could be added, or an item could be deleted. If using Google Docs to share a PowerPoint, click Share and select Publish from the drop-down menu. The URL of the published presentation is now available. Click the link and a copy of your presentation appears in a new window. To work with voice presentation, each slide must have its own URL. But if you move through this presentation, the URL does not change. So slide 5 and slide 15 have the same URL, such as the one shown here. To give each slide its own unique individual URL, so your voice presentation moves from slide to slide with your narration, you have to add a bit of code to the URL. Copy and paste the URL. Into a document and add this code as shown in red to the end of it. Start 0 means that this is the first slide in your presentation. usually the title slide. And if I was going to do the next document, I would copy this, add this, change the 0 to a 1. Start equals 1 is the second slide in your presentation, and so on, and so on. You can copy this red code right from the tutorial, and then you can copy these links into your voice presentation. You copy and paste the URL with that little bit of code into your URL box, into your voice presentation composed dialog box. Add your text, record your voice, and now, if I move down, I am jumping through the slides of the PowerPoint. It would be very helpful to have all of the URLs for all of the slides in Notepad or Word so you can just copy and paste away.